Alright everyone, this is just something small I want to show you guys. So I'm back from Free Play, Florida. One of the things that happened is when I put together the demo machine, I cut all the wires by hand, which was kind of tedious, and I wanted to get a little head start here on the wiring. So I've showed some of the wiring before. You can put these tie points. I can put some input boards wherever I want to. And now I have this new feature to start hooking things up. So the input boards, if you want to hook them together, you can route them through, and the in and outs will actually map to each other. So the in and the out, no matter where you click, they'll link them up. You can't link two inputs together. And I showed this before where you can move these around. And now switch data cables. So if you just click on a input board and then click on a switch, you'll see they hook up. And if I zoom in here, you can see that it always goes to the next input. So there's 8 per board, and you see I'm just linking them up. And then down here, I link all these switches. So it generates 2 wires because there's a electrical signal going to the switch, and then if it makes a contact, it comes back. So you see there's 2 switches for each, and I can move this around and do whatever. Now the feature I just added was a manufacturing feature. So up here it shows you the wire that you're going to cut. So if I hit over, the first wire highlights it here in red, and it'll show you the length that it's cutting the wire, and it'll show you the 3 wires it's got to make for there. So these are data lines to talk to these boards. And if I hit next, it'll show you the color of the next input, which will be blue. Then it'll go to brown, gray, green, orange, red, black, yellow. So each of the inputs gets its own color, just so it's easier to track where things are going. And then I go to the next one, you see that highlights this one down here, and it starts with blue again. Goes through all the colors, and you see it's mapping and showing. So it's showing you what wire is being cut, the color that will come out. So this is actually going to hook up to a machine that has 8 different motors, and they'll have different colors for the wires to come out. So there'll be 8 different wire colors that it'll spit out, and you just cut them and crimp them and plug them in. So kind of as you go along here, when you click this button here, see how it opens up like that, highlights. When you click that, it'll tell the machine to cut that wire basically.